If there is any luxury sedan that has earned the right to evolve carefully rather than reinvent itself, it is the Mercedes-Benz S-Class. For decades, this car has served as the benchmark for full-size luxury, setting expectations not just for Mercedes, but for the entire automotive world. The name Sonderklasse literally means special class, and that carries a constant responsibility. Every update has to respect tradition while quietly moving the segment forward. With a mid-cycle refresh scheduled to debut in late January, Mercedes offered an early passenger seat tried in a camouflage 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class prototype, and unsurprisingly, it delivers exactly what you would expect from the brand's flagship. At first glance, the prototype hides behind striking gold camouflage, a reminder that this is still a pre-production vehicle with its full reveal a couple of weeks away. Even so, there are clear visual clues about what's changing. The most obvious update comes at the lighting signatures. Inspired by the latest CLA class, the refreshed S-Class integrates three pointed star daytime running lights into both the headlights and the taillights. Subtle star motifs also peek through the camouflage in the front grille. Beyond those details, the overall shape remains familiar, and that is very much intentional. The current S-Class silhouette is already elegant, balanced, and unmistakably premium, and Mercedes wisely chose not to disturb that formula. Underneath the skin, Mercedes has confirmed three powertrain options so far, although final market availability, including which trims will reach the United States and in what order, has not been fully detailed. What is consistent across the range is the hardware philosophy. Every version mentioned features all-wheel drive, a 9-speed automatic transmission, and 48-volt mild hybrid technology, reinforcing the S-Class's focus on smoothness, efficiency, and effortless performance. The entry point of the lineup is the S500. It uses a supercharged and turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-six engine producing an estimated 442 horsepower and 443 pounds-feet of torque. For brief moments, an overboost function can raise torque output to 472 pounds-feet, adding extra punch when needed. This setup prioritizes refinement while still offering serious performance for a luxury sedan of this size. Next is the S580e, a plug-in hybrid that combines the same inline-six engine with a more powerful electric motor and a larger battery pack. Together, they generate a total system output of 576 horsepower, which is a notable 73 horsepower increase over the previous S580e. This version is designed to blend silent electric cruising with strong combined performance, appealing to buyers who want luxury, power, and electrification in one package. At the top of the non-AMG range sits the S580, which was the model used for this early ride. It features the latest evolution of Mercedes-Benz's twin-turbocharged 4.0-liter V8. Output is rated at 530 horsepower and 553 pounds-feet of torque. Beyond the raw numbers, there are significant engineering updates, including revised intake and exhaust ports, changes to the fuel injection system, and most intriguingly, a flat plane crankshaft. This is an unusual choice for a luxury V8 and hints at sharper response and a different character, even if outright aggression is not the S-Class's mission. The drive itself took place on public roads surrounding Mercedes-Benz's Sindelfingen plant in Germany. These are not roads designed to showcase sporty handling. Instead, they represent everyday driving conditions, complete with stop-and-go traffic, varying pavement quality, and typical urban speeds that made them perfect for evaluating what truly matters in an S-Class: ride quality and isolation. The prototype was equipped with Mercedes' standard Airmatic air spring suspension, with the option to step up to the advanced D-active body control system. Both systems incorporate what Mercedes calls intelligent damping or e-damping. This technology uses vehicle-to-vehicle communication through the cloud. Cars running the latest MB.OS software can share suspension data about road conditions, allowing other equipped vehicles to adjust their damping in advance of rough or uneven pavement. Around Sindelfingen, where there is likely a higher concentration of e-damping-equipped vehicles than anywhere else, the system was clearly doing its job. No matter how the road surface looked, the S-Class glided over it with remarkable composure. Impacts were muted, cabin noise was minimal, and body motions were nearly eliminated. Body roll and fore-aft pitching were close to non-existent at typical city speeds, reinforcing the sense that the car was floating rather than driving. Even without aggressive acceleration or high-speed testing, the V8's character came through. Power delivery was effortless and smooth, and gear changes from the 9-speed automatic were so seamless they were almost impossible to detect from the passenger seat. Everything happened quietly without drama, wrapped in layers of leather and calm. The 2027 Mercedes-Benz S-Class will make its official debut in late January, with production continuing at the Sindelfingen plant. Pricing has not yet been announced, but for context, the current S500 starts at around $120,750, while the S580 begins near $131,950. The S-Class has never been inexpensive, and that is one thing that clearly is not changing.